Welcome back to Punlok Engineer Channel. I just come to show my face and very different from the yesterday, right? That is my real face. Everyone can see. yeah. Just kidding. Today I just to review about my room that make a video for upload in YouTube and also talking about some skill that relate with my professional skill also. So this is my office and also sleep. Yes, this one is my big desktop computer. And this one is my small laptop. I always make the original video with this all kind of the device, and sometime I make with my phone Sony Ericsson or Sony Xperia 1. Yeah, it's so slow. And also today I'm watching the YouTube for get a YPP or YouTube program partner. Right now I'm waiting for the good news from YouTube. I will upload the new video for tomorrow and with the professional and really skill for the sharing like everything. And also today yesterday I drank and now today I'm not getting well, not yet. Okay. On tomorrow I will be upload regular of my video for sharing the knowledge to everyone. Okay, ចឹងសូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំអត់ទាន់ upload ជាមួយនឹងវីដេអូថ្មីរបស់ខ្ញុំចូលនៅក្នុង YouTube ទេដោយសារតែឥឡូវខ្ញុំរងចាំការសម្រេចចិត្ត decision របស់ YouTube តែគាត់នឹង approve ឲ្យខ្ញុំឬក៏មិន approve តាក់ទងនឹង YPP YouTube Program Partner ដែលយើងរលួយជាមួយ YouTube ណាហើយខ្ញុំបានចំណាយពេលវេលាជាមួយនឹង YouTube ច្រើនមែនទែនសម្រាប់ការចែករំលែកក៏ដូចជាផ្សព្វផ្សាយចំណេះដឹងក៏ដូចជា improvement ទៅលើ skill មួយចំនួនសម្រាប់ប្រទេសយើងណាអញ្ចឹងសង្ឃឹមថានឹងមានដំណឹងល្អក្នុងការផ្ដល់ពី YouTube ចំពោះខ្ញុំវិញអញ្ចឹងអរគុណម៉ែបងប្អូនទាំងគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូនៅថ្ងៃស្អែកតាមពេលវេលាដដែលជំនាញដដែលគំនិតថ្មីអូខេអរគុណ